We wanted to make this short video to show you a popular feature of the WordPower 60 Basic file by Nancy Inman. Nancy included something very special in this particular file that many teachers and SLPs have found useful and engaging for early readers. It has also been included in the 42 Basic vocabulary file. She included specific page sets built to enable students to read and participate with the Tell Me books. Tell Me is a program designed by Dr. Carol Zangari and Laurie Wise. It is a classroom-based approach to teaching core vocabulary, and it uses repeated reading of storybooks as a context for AAC instruction. Here are the 11 books included in the Tell Me program. I'm going to briefly demonstrate a few books so you can see how they work. Here's how you find them. Click on the Read button from the main screen and it will take you to the reading page. But in the 60 Basic file, here on the far right, you will see a key which will take you to these early books. Let's start with the book, What Do You Like? By Michael Greznik.
What do you like? I like the rainbow. I like the rainbow. I like the rainbow too. I like the rainbow too. I like to play. I like to play. I like to play too. I like to play too. I like my cat. I like my cat. I like my cat too. I like my cat too.
As we go through these books, notice that a great effort was made to keep the core words appear in the same location in the books as they do on the main screen. For example, in this book, you will notice that like and play are in the exact same locations in the book as they are on the main page. This was done to keep the motor plan consistent throughout the vocabulary whenever possible. This makes it much easier for the augmented communicator to find the words he or she needs to use. Next, let's take a look at another well-loved book, Brown Bear, What Do You See? There are two versions of this book. The first one I will show you is the easier version.
Brown bear. Brown bear. Brown bear. What do you see? Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird. What do you see? Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. I see a yellow duck looking at me.
Again, notice the consistency of the word placement. Let's look at these three words, the, and at. Here they are in the book, and here they are on the main page. Even the words see and look or looking in the book are in the same locations under actions. The second version requires the user to type each word individually. Let's see how this works.
Yellow. Duck. Yellow. Duck. What do you see? Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse. Blue horse. What do you see? Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. I see a green frog looking at me.
Again, you see another example of consistency for motor planning in the placement of the colors. Here they are in the book, and here is the placement on the colors page. Finally, I'm sure you noticed that the placement and background color of the pronouns remain consistent throughout, whether on the main page, the books, or any of the categories that contain core vocabulary. Of course, I've only shown you a couple of these books, and as you can see, there are a lot more for you to explore. Plus, notice that there are templates included so that you can make your own page sets for any book that your students might enjoy reading. On a final note, I would like to mention that any of these books that have been translated into Spanish are also included in the Spanish version of WordPower 60 Basic.